Have you ever wondered what happens after we die? Many religions talk about heaven and hell as places where souls live forever, but Buddhism offers a different way to understand these ideas. Today, let's explore what Buddhism really teaches about hell and heaven, and why it matters for us. In many religions, heaven is a perfect place where good people live happily forever, and hell is a place of punishment that lasts forever too. But in Buddhism, neither heaven nor hell lasts forever. Instead, they are temporary places where beings are born again and again because of their actions. Buddhism teaches about a cycle called Samsara. It means birth, death, and rebirth happen again and again. Everyone who is not enlightened lives in this cycle. There are many worlds or planes where beings can be born, some happy like heaven and some painful like hell. But even in heaven, beings grow old, die, and come back to life in other places. The same is true in hell. It is not forever. What decides where we are born next is karma, the good or bad actions we do in life. When we act with kindness, honesty, and care, we create good karma. This good karma can lead us to be born in happier places like heaven, but harmful actions create bad karma, which can lead to being born in difficult places like hell. The most important thing Buddhism teaches is that our goal is not just to be born in heaven. The goal is to end this cycle of suffering completely. This is called enlightenment or liberation, a state where we are free from birth and death. Imagine life as a river flowing continuously. Sometimes the water is calm and bright, like heaven. Sometimes it is rough and dark, like hell. But the river never stops flowing until it reaches the ocean of peace. Enlightenment is like reaching that ocean. So today, remember this: your actions matter. Every kind and wise choice helps you move closer to freedom from suffering. Don't be afraid of mistakes or hard times. They are part of your journey. If this message helps you understand Buddhism better, please share it with friends who may enjoy it too. I would love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below. And if you want more simple and warm talks like this, please subscribe. You have the power to grow, learn, and find peace. Keep walking your path with courage and kindness. Thank you for watching. See you next time.